Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Excuse me. And today is Wednesday, 16th of March 2022. Time in the New York now is 1 o'clock and 53 minutes in the morning, and the local time in my hometown is 12 and 53 minutes in the afternoon. I just finished my lunch, so it was 12 o'clock. Normally I take lunch is 1 o'clock or 1:30. Okay, like always, I will make some recap about the journey of my Ichimoku trading. Okay, now I bring you right away to my MT5 and we will see what happened. Okay, this is 16th of March 2022. It seems like not really much thing happened in my trading activities. Okay, but it's better that we take a look. Okay, first, always I will take a look. The position that I have now is not really good compared with the previous block that I have. Now I'm floating 1,500 something and equity is 7,000 something. The margin level is below 5,000, so I think I need to close some position. Okay, like always, one by one we will take a look for my watch list. Okay, I don't have much spare to trade, so basically less than 15 I think, but that is good enough. Okay, now it's pound sterling US dollar here, second, nothing here, nothing, nothing. Okay, this is pound sterling and Canadian dollar. Let's see. For the moment I'm floating $350 and I'll try to pull. This is our time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame. The price still goes to bearish position, and I'll take a look at daily time frame. Okay, back to 6 hour. Okay. Oh. But I will decide it to close this trade pound sterling Canadian dollar. Don't ask me why, because basically, to be honest with you, I don't have any particular or exact exit plan. For me, it's based on experience, not always by theory only. Okay, $350 call position, pound sterling Canadian dollar, voila. Okay, it's already banked the profit, $350 profit trade. Okay, you can see easily. Okay, guys at home, wherever you are in the world, if you want to learn or you want to see where I take my open position in MT5, there's always an arrow here. This is the red arrow, this is the blue arrow. Okay, unlike MT4, this kind of arrow is not exist. You can easily notice that the arrow here, even there is a red line here. Okay, the red line, this is a trend line. Okay, it's going down. So actually this is help you, the one who have no idea what the Ichimoku, to mark or notice where I open the position. Okay, we'll move to next trade. This is the pound sterling New Zealand dollar. This is the position that I hold It's quite long. It's almost a month. Take a look. Sponsoring New Zealand dollar is 660 $660 or 660 pips. Okay, we will take a look with 12-hour time frame. Okay, if you take a look with 12-hour time frame, the price already moved nearly 500 pips. See, it's the lows. It seems like from the chart the price is already set way here with 12-hour time frame. Here in this square, the price is already sideways. So I will decide to close this position as well. Okay, pound sterling $660. Okay, it's not too bad. I will close it. 1, 2, 3. 660. Okay, it's good. Bank the profit. Move to next trade. Pound sterling. Okay, this is the trade that I took on 9th of March. Well, actually you can see obviously that the price is not really forming a strong trend bearish. The price is upside down. You can see that this is not really ideal trading setup. But how much that I have here? So I only have 34 points or 34 pips. This one is not really promising, to be honest. Okay, you can see easily that you can notice it. The candle is upside down. This is not really forming a strong trend or strong bearish. But I will just let it. Maybe later in the night I will do something, or maybe I will close, because the price actually already reached nearly 60 or 70 pips. Okay, that's for pound sterling Danish kroner, and then we move to the next. Okay, this is also the new position that I took. I took this yesterday or yes, this is 2 days ago. I took the position, and now it's minus. Okay, how much minus that I have? This is minus 71 points or minus 60 pips. Okay, 60 pips. It's okay. I will just let it as it is, and then I'll do nothing. Let's see what happened, because the stop loss I will put it around here. Okay, this line, stop loss. This is the red line. This is quite big. This is around 200 points. So this is the stop loss that I will. Not I will. This is the plan of my stop loss, because I use this mental stop loss. I'm not using a hard stop loss. I'm using only mental stop loss, because as swing trader, the price normally not moving, not the volatility is unlike if you trading in the shorter time frame. So basically it's not really a big deal as a swing trader if we put a mental stop loss, using a mental stop loss and not a hard stop loss. Okay. And we move next. Okay, this one also, it seems like the previous position that I have, pound sterling New Zealand dollar. This one is the one that I took the position nearly 1 month ago. And now from the 6-hour time frame, it seemed like after the strong bearish trend, now the price tried to bouncing back, going up. And if we take a look in 12 hours time frame, you can see this is a really beautiful movement, beautiful move, and then the price now is bouncing back. And if you using Ichimoku, you can see here that the candle, green candle, is already crossing, what you call this, Kijun Sen. Okay, this is already Kijun Sen. So we move the daily. Okay, you can see the daily also as well. The price is try to bounce back. So what do you think? Do I need to close it? Well, this is really hard for me because if only I close in this candle, okay, I make maybe around 900 or 800 points or $800, but 545 is not really bad number. So I decided to close this one. Euro, New Zealand dollar. Voila. Okay, good. Check history. Okay, secure the profit. Oh. So we move to next trade. Okay. This one also USD, or well known as a gold. Well, this one is I think I take the trade a little bit late. It's supposed to be I take in this, okay, in this candle, but if I'm using the 6-hour time frame, okay. Not really nice setup, but I already put the stop loss here, the edge of the Kumo cloud, and this is actually the stop loss is quite big. Oh my goodness, 500 points. I hope that I will survive. Now is for the moment is profit $26 or 26 points. It's in the movement from the gold pair is not really volatile. Maybe later after in the afternoon or in the evening, in local time, maybe there is a movement. But if you can see, this is the candle, is the small candle. That means is the daily volatility is not really high. Okay, we move to the next. This is also Euro Japanese yen. I took this yesterday or 2 days ago. I took open buy position and now still floating profit. Euro Japanese yen is 25 points. So the stop loss, plan for stop loss is around here. This is not ideal also, but I put the stop loss not really far. Of course, mental stop loss. And next, this also I took this trade yesterday, and Australian Canadian dollar, and now it's still minus $10. And this is the last Euro USD. It's a big story. $1,767. Oh. The equity that I have now is $7,149. It's not really bad. Okay, everybody, good traders. That's it for today. My what you call this? My little bit update from my Ichimoku swing trading journal. Okay, I hope that everybody have the good profit. You can still, you of course you follow your trading plan. You having good money management. It doesn't matter how big your profit, big or small, as long that you keep the capital in the safe position. So everything is really fine. Okay, no need to excited when you win. No need to be sad or get angry when you lose. That is part of the business. Okay, everybody, good traders. I'll see you the next vlog. Keep healthy, keep safe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you the next vlog. Thank you.